Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Maserati Ghibli. Before we begin, gather your essential tools: a drain pan, a new oil filter, and about 7 to 8 quarts of fresh engine oil. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm for the best drainage. Most importantly, wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from hot oil and chemicals throughout the process. Safety first. Now let's drain the old engine oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, which is typically a 17mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow the old oil to completely drain. This usually takes at least 10 minutes to ensure all the old, dirty oil is out. Be patient during this crucial step. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. You'll likely need a specialized oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Once it's off, take your new filter and apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn with the wrench. Do not over-tighten. Finally, let's add the new engine oil. Pour the recommended amount, typically 7 to 8 quarts, into the oil fill port. Once filled, start your engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil throughout the system. After a brief run, turn off the engine and check the oil level using your dipstick. Also, carefully inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and the new oil filter. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.